Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to edit and create contact in Outlook. So if you want to edit and create contact in Outlook, what you have to do is first of all just log in your Outlook account, and here you will see like this. Now you will see third option is people option. Just click on it and here you will see all of your contacts. And now if you want to edit, as I want to edit this one, so just click on it. Here you can edit it. Just click on this edit contact option and you can easily edit your contact like this. You can add email address and also mobile number, your company name, and category you can choose out. So create category, notes, and you can save it. And now if you want to create a new contact, what you have to do is just click on again in the contact like this or category. So when you click on the contact like this, what you have to do is just, if you want to create a new contact, so here you will see a new contact option. Just click on it and here now you have to create, click on first name. You can enter first name, email address, mobile number, company name, and you can also create a note, write a note of this person and save it. So like this you can create and edit contacts in your in Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for